Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Dylan and I started up this channel a couple of months ago. So I decided to do a little bit of an experiment where I would post 30 YouTube shorts in 30 days. And the reason why I decided to do this experiment is to see what will happen essentially. I know that YouTube is competing with TikTok with the short content, and therefore they're pushing out the short content a lot more. So therefore more people see your content, therefore you can get more views and more subscribers and things like that. Also, I'm not yet monetized. I'm not yet a YouTube partner. Again, I'm not really making any money from YouTube right now. So with the YouTube Short, you can actually gain subscribers and hopefully get monetized. So in order to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. So with the YouTube Shorts, you can gain the subscribers, but the watch time from the YouTube Shorts don't count towards the 4,000 hours in order to become a YouTube partner. So firstly, I will show you my results. So I'll show you my top 5 best performing shorts, how many views they got, and how many subscribers I've gained from those shorts. I'll stay till the end of the video because I'm also going to share with you the 4 lessons I've learned in the past 30 days in order to use shorts to grow your audience on YouTube. Okay, so let's talk statistics. So I'm going to show you my top 5 best performing shorts in this 30 days. The fifth position is random medical fact number 20. And this video managed to get more than 1,100 views, which is pretty impressive, I think. As you can see here on the top left hand side, it also managed to get 4 subscribers, which I think is pretty good for a short video. And also the audience retention rate was more than 100%, which also pointed out here. Most of these shorts were more than 100%, but I'll talk more about the audience retention rate in my tips section later on in this video. And then random medical fact number 5 came in a 4th position. It was my 4th best performing short of the 30 I posted. This video managed to get 1,268 views. But what is interesting, it only managed to get 2 subscribers, which is twice less than random medical fact number 20. So this is interesting, even though it had more views. You can see also the audience retention rate is more than 100% with this video as well. Okay, so moving on to the 3rd position is random medical fact number 10. So this is the 10th video that I posted in this 30 days. Okay, as you can see here, random medical fact number 10, the 3rd position, got 1,291 views, which is quite a lot of views. Only 2 subscribers gained though, and the watch time here is pretty impressive with 226%. Moving on to the 2nd position is random medical fact number 18. This is my best short, I think, because it got the most subscribers, but I'll show you that in a moment. As you can see here, it got 1,355 views, but 8 subscribers gained, which I think is pretty good for one short video. And also the audience retention rate is more than 100% as well. And then the 1st position and my best performing short is random medical fact number 12. And this video managed to get close to 2,000 views, 1,974 to be exact, with a 5.6 hour watch time. So that's a lot of watch time hours on like a 8-second video, and also 4 subscribers, so that's also pretty good. Okay, so let's look at all the shorts combined. So with the 30 shorts that I posted, all of them combined managed to get 11,904 views, which I think is pretty good. That's almost 400 views per short, and that's definitely more than what I'm currently averaging on my channel. So I think that's very good. Let's now look at the most important part. The reason why I actually posted shorts is to gain subscribers. So I managed to gain 31 subscribers in the 30 days. So that's a little bit more than 1 subscriber per short video, which I really think is worthwhile, and I think that's amazing. I don't get more than 1 subscriber per long video that I post as of now. So I really think it's worthwhile to post these short videos. Okay, so now that I told you how my shorts performed and showed you the statistics behind it, I will tell you now more about the lessons I've learned in posting 30 shorts in 30 days, so that you can also implement these tips for your channel's growth and how you can use shorts in order to grow your audience on YouTube. So first thing I want to say is that your YouTube short views is directly correlated between whether or not your short was placed into the short feed. So if YouTube placed it into the short feed. So the short feed is basically when they put your video in someone's feed when they're scrolling. The same like TikTok. So you need to get your short into the short feed. And the 4 lessons I've learned will help you to get your short into the short feed and also help you to put your short for a longer period of time in the short feed, because that's what you want in order to garner more views and more subscribers. So the first tip I have for you guys, and probably the most important lesson I've learned, is that your YouTube shorts have to be short, less than 15 seconds, because watch time matters. So if your video has a watch time than more than 100%, that will be more likely to be placed in the short feed and also will be more likely to be in the short feed for a longer period of time. So make your shorts very short. If you can make your short under 5 seconds, for me, that has worked the best, and that has got me the most views and most subscribers. In order to get the watch time up, people will watch the short more, like and comment and things like that. The second tip I have for you guys is engagement. So likes and comments and things like that, watch time, that is very, very important for YouTube Shorts. So if people are liking your video, commenting on your video, that video will be more likely to be placed into the short feed and will be more likely to be in the short feed for a longer period of time, making you garner more views and more subscribers. The third tip I have for you guys is play around with the times that you post your YouTube Shorts. For me, I played around with it a lot because I'm still a new creator and I can't see what time my audience are on YouTube. But if you can see that on your analytics, then post the time that your audience are most likely to be on YouTube. That will garner you more views in the beginning, will definitely put your video in the short feed and you'll get more views and more subscribers. So play around with that. For me, like 5 p.m. local time seemed to work the best. But yeah, play around with it, play around with the time you post and see what works and what doesn't. Okay, then my fourth and last lesson I've learned with short videos is that watch time really, really matters. So you actually want a watch time more than 100%, meaning that people are watching the video more than once. This will tell YouTube that the people that watch this video really likes this video, and YouTube will be more likely to place your video into the short feed, and also will be more likely to place it into the short feed for a longer period of time. So watch time is crucial. So you want to make sure that your content is interesting, your content is short, like I said, 5 seconds or as short as you can. And you also want to make good edits and good quality videos. This will really help you achieve your goals with YouTube Shorts. So yes, this was my little experiment where I posted 30 shorts in 30 days.